Alright, Mac fam, you already know why I'm here. Click that subscribe button and click that notification bell for more videos. Here we have our base recipe of coconut oil, shea butter, grapeseed oil, and soybean oil. Some coconut milk powder. We have some sugar. It helps with the bubbles, and rose clay. We blend each of those in the base oils for a nice smooth consistency. And then we add our lye water solution, this time made with aloe vera juice. We bring it to a nice full trace and then split off some batter for the accent color, which today we're using turmeric as a natural accent color. We also have a barley grass fragrance oil. This one is from Rustic Escentials. Gonna measure out what we need and hand mix it in. Then we will pour our base color into our 2-pound brambleberry mold. Pat it down for bubbles and drizzle in our accent color. We start from different heights, from low to high, so that we can try and get that color as far down as we can. Then we have this wooden spool that I took and swirled the top. I didn't get quite too deep with the swirling because I wanted the color to stay relatively closer to the top. Now I'm going to be honest, I have no idea where I'm going here, but I do eventually get there, trust me. Then I take a strip of bubble wrap and pat it nicely down the side of the soap. This is gonna make a really nice texture, and I'm pushing those bubbles down to try and force any air pockets out of there. Then we use some rose petals. I got this from my local craft store, and I'm just drizzling them along the other side of the loaf. And I like to make sure any botanicals I use, they can stay on the bar for as long as possible. So I'm just taking my wooden spool here and pushing in each petal just to make sure there's no separation. We're going to spritz it with 99% rubbing alcohol and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. And after about 2 days, we're ready to pop it out the mold and give it a cut. Pulling back that bubble wrap and slowly breaking the seal on the loaf. And then I ease it nice and gentle out of the mold. These bars are so cute, and they're the perfect size for a hand bar. I really love the pattern that the bubble wrap made on the top of the soap. I also like that the turmeric orange color stayed closer to the top, just like I wanted. I think the contrasting ridges from the bubble wrap and the spooning up the side of the other bar really makes the top interesting, along with those rose petals. And this is our final product, Rose Barley Clay Bar. Now available in our Etsy shop. Thanks for watching.